Yes, consider an example for the break statement inside for loop. So let us suppose I am writing a for loop in order to display the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. So but I have added a statement like this. Okay. So we know if I comment out this particular statements, then we'll get the result from 1 to 10. Numbers from 1 to 10 will be displayed, right? Suppose if I remove these comment lines, okay, it means I'm using a if block inside this for loop saying that if the value of I is equal to 5, then it is going to break this loop. Okay, control will be moved out of this for loop if I value is equal to 5 according to the break statement. Okay. It means what should be the result? When you run this code, you will get result as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because after printing I value as 5, immediately it is checking I double equal to 5, condition becomes true and the break statement is going to move the control out of this for loop. Okay. So let us consider a continue statement instead of break statement. Okay. I'll use continue statement here. Okay. So if you use continue statement exactly at I equal to 5, it is going to move to the next iteration. Okay. So you don't see much difference because all the numbers gets printed as we are printing the numbers before checking this condition. Let us suppose I am going to remove this code here and keep after this if block. In that case, you can see the result as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 is clearly missing here. Why? Because when the value of I is equal to 5, it is going to execute the continue statement which will move to the control to the next iteration. That is, I value will become 6 for the next iteration. And again 6 double equal to 5 condition false, and from there onwards the values will be printed like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So that is the basic difference between break statement and continue statement.